Okay. Let's see what we got.
Now I open it.
Yes.
Oh, you don't like that. Oh, there's something like that. There's something like that. Rolled in the back. I got the book. Okay. Duplicate. It'll keep a duplicate.
Yeah, you get to keep all the from the first one, huh?
And I can keep a duplicate.
In there, yes.
And I can keep the new ones. Whoa. What's this? Look! A game!
Oh.
Here it is.
I'll look at that. Okay.
This new one has like a round. Look, it has Kermit the Frog!
Aw.
Yay! Oh, look! Look! It has it from the movie!